This is a step-by-step guide about how to monetize your YouTube videos and get paid in 2021. Let's dive right in. First thing I want to mention is that YouTube recently changed their terms of service, where they can put ads on your videos even if your videos have not been monetized. So in other words, even if you haven't started making money from your videos, YouTube can play adverts on them. But don't panic. In this video, I want to show you how the whole monetization process works, and in the end, how you can get paid from YouTube once you're monetized. Step number 1, create a YouTube channel and start making videos and posting them. If you want to know how to create a YouTube channel fast, I will leave a link down below to that video. You need to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. I will leave a link to all the eligible countries down below. Step number 2 is to make sure that you abide by the YouTube policies when you're posting your videos. So stay clear of any content that features violence, nudity, swear words. Basically, just keep it clean and use your own judgment as well. Always ask yourself, is this the kind of content that advertisers would want to advertise on? If the answer is no, don't post the video or make it more advertiser friendly. So basically, keep it clean and professional. If you need more information about YouTube advertiser friendly content guidelines or about copyright guidelines and AdSense guidelines, I will leave a link to those down below. Step number 3 is to keep posting consistently until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. Public watch hours mean that your private and unlisted videos don't count. Your videos need to be public to qualify for the hours. And within the last 12 months means that it is a rolling 12 months. It's not like ever. It means always within the last 12 months have you hit 4,000 watch hours yet. And once you qualify, you need to maintain the watch hours within the last 12 months. So you can't just say, ooh, now I'm going to put my feet up. You need to keep posting and achieving that target. You can keep track of your watch hours and subscriber numbers by going to your YouTube homepage. Click on Manage Videos and scroll down. Then when you click on Monetization, this is where you can access that information. You can also ask YouTube to notify you once you're eligible to apply. So once your channel meets the threshold, on this same monetization page, Step 1, click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card and agree to the YouTube Partner Program. Once you've signed the terms, YouTube will mark this step with a green Done sign on the Review Partner Program Terms card. So Step 2 is to create an AdSense account or connect an existing AdSense account. Make sure you only have one AdSense account, not 2 or more. YouTube is very strict about that. So click Start on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. If you already have an AdSense account, use the one that's already approved. You can link as many of your channels as you want to a single AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you have connected your AdSense, YouTube will mark this step with a green Done sign on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. Step number 3 is Get Reviewed. Once you sign the YouTube Partner Program terms and connect your AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put into a review queue. YouTube's automated systems and human reviewers will then review your channel's content to check if it follows all of their guidelines. You can check your application status anytime at studio.youtube.com/channel/UC/monetization. I will leave this link down below in the info box. Step number 4. YouTube will send you an email about their decision, usually within a couple of days, or sometimes it can take some weeks as well. I think it really depends on how clear-cut your channel is. If there are a lot of gray areas about copyright or language or other things, it might take longer. Whereas if it's very clear what your channel is about and it follows monetization guidelines very evidently, then it might take less time to be reviewed. Also, if you get rejected, you can reapply after 30 days. If you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, congratulations! You can now set up ad preferences and enable monetization on your uploads. To set up monetization in bulk, go to your channel's homepage, click on Manage Videos, where you will land on Content, then check the box Video, which means that all your videos on that page are selected at once, and then under Edit, select Monetization, and make sure this is on. Also, if you want to check how much you're earning within a 28-day cycle, click on Dashboard on the left-hand side, and under Channel Analytics, you can see how much you're earning within the last 28 days. And if you want more information, scroll down and click on Go to Channel Analytics. Alright guys, so this is really how to monetize your channel and YouTube videos in 2021. If you want to see how you can actually get paid from YouTube or from Google AdSense, keep watching. So, you need a Google AdSense account in order to receive money from YouTube. Like I mentioned above, there is a link to set up an AdSense account when you have reached the monetization criteria. Alternatively, you can also go to AdSense directly and sign up with AdSense there. Alright, so this is my Google AdSense account. On the right side, underneath balance, is where my next payment is shown, as you can see here. So today is the 12th, and this is usually the date when YouTube notifies me how much money I will be earning at the end of this month. So I get notified on the 12th of every month, and then around the 24th of every month is when I receive that money into my bank account. If you want more information about how to get paid from Google AdSense, then please watch the next upcoming video where I share step-by-step how to link your payment option and ultimately how to get paid. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, like it and subscribe for more videos like this one.